Hey, this is Shiraz, and before we get started, I just want to let you know that when I clear something for someone, when I cause a shift, I tend to yawn and cough from the energetic shift that happens. I don't know why it happens. It's just how my body works. And if you don't know that, you're going to listen to this video and go, what the hell is wrong with this guy? You might still think that, but now there's more of an explanation. The other thing to keep in mind is that if you hear something that you can absolutely relate to, when I cleared for them, you can get it cleared for you too. Just say yes when they're saying yes, and it works. I have people that watch these videos every morning to get stuff cleared. This can be your new morning habit too. Okay, that's enough for that. Let's get on with the video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you get a great shift out of it. See you soon.
Confusion.
Confusion
Yeah.
about?
I'm trying to sort it out. It is, doesn't matter what I do, it doesn't seem to be the right thing. So sooner or later, I'll do something that's not right, and that will cause, whether it's with customers or people I'm dealing with, the belief is that that will cause problems. So I'm always trying to, and this is there's a pattern there where I'm always trying to figure things out and keep ahead, and it doesn't matter. I can't figure out the path that's going to make everything perfect. So I'm in confusion.
Are you trying to figure out a way to make everything work, or are you trying to stop the bad things from happening?
Stop bad things from happening.
And that's why you're stuck in the world of the bad things and they keep happening. Right? You're in that push energy. We just talked about, I have to stop this from happening. So then, of course, it has to happen because that's all that's in your world right now, the bad things.
That's all that's in the world is the bad things. I can feel the state of confusion going on in the fear, not that bad things are happening. It's the fear that bad things will happen.
Yeah.
And that's freezing me a bit.
Yeah. So there's a double addiction there. Number one is this vigilance of I have to make sure the bad things don't happen. And if you stop doing that, you feel like there's something missing. So then you keep doing it. Number two, when the bad things do happen, part of you gets to go, hey, see, I was right. That's why I have to be so vigilant, because something bad just happened. So you get a dopamine hit every time something bad goes wrong.
Yeah.
So are you willing to step out of the story that your focus needs to be on making sure the bad things don't happen?
Yes.
When the bad things do happen and it causes things to go wrong, do you fix them?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Right.
How do you feel after you fix them?
Yeah, significant.
Yeah. So you're making things go wrong, so you have an opportunity to fix them so you can feel significant.
Yeah.
So are you willing to step out of the story that the only way to feel significant is to fix the things that go wrong? How?
Yes.
Okay, that's not moving, and a bunch of people are reacting to that. I did not expect that huge a reaction from this group, but yeah, thank you for saying that because you triggered a bunch of people. So, okay, here's the thing. Your value, your significance does not come from what you do. It comes from who you are. You have inherent value in you. What you do is how you get to express that value. Even if you don't express it, it's still there. But you've trained yourself, or you've been trained by other people, that the only way you feel valuable is if you do things that people see you do it and they can recognize how valuable you are. By doing that, you're not recognizing your own value that just exists all the time. So are you willing to step out of the story that your value comes from what you do and not who you are?
Yes. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think that's got it.
How's that feel?
Better,
Yay.
better. I'm not coming up with anything else at this point, so.
Yeah, you feel a lot lighter now.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a like. And if you had a shift of your own, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Also, check out the description for energetic magic events that you can attend every single month. Be well, be aware, and be magical.